Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change battery Range Rover key. Start by finding the seam and using a small flat tool to gently pry the fob open. Remove the old battery carefully, note its orientation, and wipe the contacts clean. Insert a fresh CR2032 with the correct polarity. Press the halves together until they snap, then test the key to confirm locks and remote functions work correctly. Begin by examining the key fob to find the seam or release notch and set your workspace on a soft, clean surface. Carefully insert a flat tool into the seam and twist gently to open without cracking the plastic. Note the battery orientation before removal, then replace with a new CR2032, ensuring contacts meet. Firmly press the casing back together and test the buttons and remote start if applicable to confirm success. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight and survive busy garages and workbenches. They keep screws, batteries, and small tools tidy while you work. I've been using them between jobs and they save time and cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your key still refuses to respond after a battery swap, double-check the battery orientation and clean contacts with a dry cloth. Try a second fresh CR2032 if the first seems dead or old. If the fob still won't operate the vehicle, the issue may be programming or internal damage, and a dealer visit could be necessary. Keep spare batteries on hand to avoid being stranded with a dead key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.